In the tumultuous era of the French Revolution, few figures stand out as dramatically as Maximilien Robespierre, a leader whose name became synonymous with both revolutionary zeal and ruthless terror. This is the story of how Robespierre rose to power and met his end by the very instrument of death he helped popularize, the guillotine. Early life and rise to power. Maximilien Robespierre was born on May 6, 1758, in Arras, France. A lawyer by training, he was known for his eloquence and rigid moral principles. His political career took off during the early days of the French Revolution as he championed the rights of the common people and fought against the injustices of the monarchy. As a member of the National Assembly and later the National Convention, Robespierre became a leading voice for radical change. He was a key figure in the Jacobin Club, pushing for the abolition of the monarchy and the establishment of a republic. The Reign of Terror. Robespierre's influence grew, and with it came the dark period known as the Reign of Terror. From September 1793 to July 1794, the revolutionary government, led by the Committee of Public Safety, sought to purge France of its enemies. Robespierre, now a dominant figure in the committee, believed that terror was necessary to protect the revolution and achieve its goals. During this period, thousands were executed by the guillotine, a device that became the symbol of revolutionary justice. The guillotine, designed to be a more humane method of execution, efficiently beheaded its victims, and Robespierre was a staunch advocate for its use. Fall from power. As the Reign of Terror intensified, so did Robespierre's enemies. His relentless pursuit of perceived traitors and his unwavering belief in his own moral authority began to alienate even his closest allies. Fear and paranoia spread, and many began to see Robespierre as a tyrant. On July 27, 1794, known as the 9th of Thermidor in the revolutionary calendar, Robespierre's opponents in the National Convention turned against him. Accused of leading France into tyranny, he was arrested along with his closest supporters. The very next day, on July 28, 1794, Robespierre was taken to the guillotine. In a dramatic turn of events, the man who had sent so many to their deaths by this device now faced it himself. Injured from a botched suicide attempt, his jaw shattered, Robespierre was executed without trial. As the blade fell, Robespierre's life ended, and with it, the Reign of Terror came to a close. The revolution continued, but the legacy of Robespierre and his use of the guillotine as a tool of political power left an indelible mark on history. Maximilien Robespierre remains a controversial figure. For some, he is a symbol of the revolution's potential for justice and equality. For others, a cautionary tale of how ideals can turn into tyranny. His life and death serve as a stark reminder of the complexities of revolutionary change. Thank you for joining us on this journey through one of the most dramatic episodes of the French Revolution. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more historical insights. This has been a story of power, idealism, and the fatal consequences of unbridled ambition.